everyone, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Last day we were discussing the exercise questions. Today also we will continue with that. So here we have question number 8.3 which is from 18.1. Okay, so you can see we have one question here. The parallelogram is mentioned here, and from this diagram we need to find out the line segment. What is line segment we already understood in this chapter. Now how will write the line segment here? You can see first we'll take this line segment. Okay, starting point is here and ending point is here. Okay, you can start from any point like G, H or H, E, like that. You can start from any point. Okay, so we'll start from E. So E, F, that will be the first line segment. You can see this is the first line segment according to me. How you have to mention? First write E, F and mention above that the symbol of line segment. Clear? Then F, G, that is the second line segment. F, G, right here F, G and mention this symbol above the F, G. Okay? Same. Next line segment G, H, right here and mention symbol. Alright, and then last line segment H, E, you can see and mention the symbol. Alright, this is how we have to name the line segment. Clear now? Now this is question number 9, I think, not 8, please correct it. This is question number 9. Alright, write the name of the rays. Write the name of the rays. So you can see we have one diagram over here, and here we have one point and the name of that point is P. Okay, and for this line T is mentioned, for this line S, this here we have one point, the name is mentioned S, here R and here Q. Okay, now how we have to write the rays? Rays you know very well, starting point is fixed and the ending point is not fixed. That goes indefinitely or endlessly. Alright. So if you see this diagram, here we have the point. If we see from here to here, then that will be the what? That will be line. So we have to see from this point, because here we have the point and that will be the starting point of the ray. Okay. Now when we start from P and we'll go this side, then for this ray, this will be the starting point. Okay, and this side going endlessly. So we can say PT is the ray here. You can see PT I mentioned here, and on that, sorry, the symbol is wrong, let me correct. Alright, let me correct here. So here this symbol will be, alright. Then second ray, again we will start from this point only, PS, that will be the second ray, PS, right here PS, and on top you give this symbol. Alright, then same PQ, alright, PQ, give here that symbol, sorry, PQ here. And last PQ and PR. Alright, from here PQ and PR. So these four rays are there in it. Am I clear, you all? We have to see from this starting point. Clear now? If you see from here to here, that will be the line, because you can see the arrowhead is there here also and here also. Okay, so we have to start from here. Now question number 11, draw line segment of length. Draw line segment of length. So length is not mentioned here. Let me show you how to draw the line segment of given length. Okay. So for that you need to use pencil and scale. Alright. Now if I say draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. Alright, so what you have to do, you have to take the scale first. You can see on the screen, you have to take the scale first. This is the scale, and after that you need to take the pencil. Alright, you need to take the pencil, and as I said, we have to draw the line segment of 6 centimeter. Then what you have to do, keep your pencil where the 0 is marked. Keep the pencil where the 0 is marked. Alright, and then start drawing the line segment, go up to 6 centimeter. You can see here the 6 centimeter, and then leave. Alright, and after that you need to write here the length of the line segment like this, 6 centimeter. Alright, even name also you can mention like A and B. Am I clear you all? This is how we have to draw the line segment. Let me show you once again. First take the scale, then take the pencil and keep your pencil where the 0 is marked. Alright, and then start drawing. Let's suppose we are going to draw now 4.5. So here 4.5 you can see 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and after that what we have to do, we need to write the length 4.5 centimeter. Even you can write the name also. Am I clear you all? So this is how we have to draw the line segment of given length. So I hope today whatever I discussed with you, each and everything is clear. Okay, thank you.